All right, so I first thought I had finished her last week, her rerooting, because I had done around the loops and I went down the center and did the long strands, and then I braided her here, and I was like, wait, this is just not staying. I didn't know what to do, so I went back and I looked at some of my other cabbies with this similar hairstyle, and I saw that besides the loops, they also had long strands to pull from. So again, this is my first reroute. Very big learning experience. Far, far, far from being anywhere near perfect. And also because right from the beginning, when I did the original loops, I left way too many tails inside. So then it made it really difficult to find the holes. So I wasn't able to do every hole. But I went back, and as you can see, I added strands in the back and around the side and in the front on this side. And then what I did is I had removed with acetone the orange paint that was under there because she had orange hair before. So I just found a brown permanent marker, and I don't think I let it dry well enough, so some of it came off, but I might just fill in the areas. But I just kind of made it brown, so where I did miss, and there's some here or yarn missing, I'm going to fill in with more brown, permanent brown marker, so it won't hopefully be as noticeable. This is her ear, so her ear is supposed to show, so I didn't do that, but you can see the brown under it. But overall, when she's done and the other side is done, I still have to do the other side. I think that she'll look decent for a first reroute. And I mean, I'm only doing this for me anyhow, and I have no plans to do reroutes for anybody else, just for me. I have other dolls I need to do it on. So, you know, with each one, I will learn. And I will show also a before and after. I did take a lot of pictures and videos, so I could show you like what a huge improvement and how much I was able to clean her up. And, you know, once I do the other side, I'll reattach. I'll take a video of reattaching her head to her body, and I will dress her and get her all ready and take some nice pictures of her. But I didn't even think so, but looking back, she does still have some pocks. You might be able to see it a little bit, but they're very, very lightened compared to what they were when I found her at the secondhand store. And again, I'm doing this with one hand, so it's kind of hard to see, but I'll do another video when it's complete. Ooh!